Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. Today I'm going to show you how to wirelessly pair your smartphone to the 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid with the 9-inch screen. A very simple system to use. This works the same way for Apple or Android products. So in case you're curious, no big deal where that's concerned. I can only show you on an iPhone because that's what I have. So we're going to go right here to connect new device, and it's going to give you instructions as to what you need to do. We need to make sure Bluetooth is on. Search for Honda CR-V. So we're going to select that, and then it's going to give me a pairing code. We're going to hit pair, and then we're going to hit allow right here. This is really easy to do, as you can see. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to disconnect as well. Now, one important step right here. If you want to use Apple CarPlay, you're going to have to select it right here and then hit connect. I'm going to do that. We're going to hit yes right there. And basically, that's the process for doing this. It really works quite well. You may get a message as far as this goes on your phone. I didn't get one that time for some reason, maybe because I previously paired. But you can see that we are paired to Apple CarPlay. We've done everything wirelessly. And let's say you are finished with, maybe you rented a CR-V or whatever the case is, and you want to disconnect your phone or whatever the situation is. We're going to go to General Settings right here, and then we're going to go to Connections. We're going to select Bluetooth, and I'm going to go right here and just select my phone. And up here in the top right-hand corner, it's going to say Options right there and Delete Device. That makes it very simple. All you have to do is select delete right there, and you'll see that your phone is no longer there. And if you want it to reconnect and do the same thing we just did again, well, you just hit connect new device and you repeat the process. That's how easy it is to connect your smartphone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android product, Android phone, whatever the case is. That's how it's going to work for the 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid.